Hi, my name is Furkhan. Today I'm gonna explain the core concept of my custom code program that I have created for the Distinction Task 7.3. It's in space shooter program, and I'm gonna explain the core concepts of it. The game is pretty simple. It has enemies coming from the top of the screen towards the bottom of the screen, and we have got a space shooter at the bottom of the screen which moves left to right, and it is placed at the center of the screen at the start of the game. The user plays this game through the arrow keys. The user handles this game through the arrow keys, left and right, and shoots the bullet towards the enemy that is coming from the top of the screen. If the bullet touches the enemy, the player scores an point, the 10 points. And if the enemy comes down successfully and exits the screen from the bottom, the user lose a life, the player lose a life. And it is built on the concept of collision detection from Robert Dodgy program, which is quite simple. And I've kept the program pretty simple. I've used 5 classes. One is the program class that handles the main method. Second one is the player class that handles the player, the spaceship at the bottom, which shoots the enemies that are coming from the top. The enemy class which handles the enemies, the bullet class which handles the list of bullets, and the final class is the space shooter.cs that handles the whole program, which manages everything. Talking about the game loop does the 3 things. So it has 3 things, like the handle input method checks if the user is pressing any key, like moving the spaceship from left or right, or pressing the space bar to shoots the bullet. Then we have update method, which updates each and everything every frame. Like if the user has pressed space key to shoot the bullet, uh, to shoot the enemy, it updates everything. It updates how the player is moving, if the bullet has collided with the enemy, or if the enemy has collided with the player. And last thing is the draw method that updates everything and draws everything on the screen after the player has done everything.